This week on Motorcar History, we have the Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR is built from 2017 onwards. A family compact SUV with modern contemporary design. This has a premium look and feel, featuring a dramatic coupe-style roofline with a full 5-star Euro NCAP rating, along with 8 airbags. The designation CHR stands for Coupe High Rider. There are more than 4 trim levels to choose from, depending on your location. In the UK, the Icon is the cheapest. It has 18-inch wheels and heated seats, while the more expensive XL comes with the latest tech gear, while the GR Sport is a more sporty version which features larger 19-inch wheels and tinted headlights. All CHRs come with a 3-year warranty along with 12-year anti-corrosion, which is something unheard of with the early Japanese cars. For the European market, the CHR is built in Turkey. The model is based on the Toyota's TNGA platform. It's a comfortable car to drive. The suspension damping is very good, even with the larger wheels. Inside, although footroom in the rear isn't brilliant, overall the rear just feels smaller inside than it really is. This is due to the design of the low roofline and the dark headlining. Interior storage features a generous glove box and deep cup holders, along with diamond patterned door inserts. Front seats are available with heating and number adjustments depending on the model. Inside, the small windows make the rear feel claustrophobic. Some Toyota safety equipment comes standard throughout the range. This includes lane departure warning, autonomous engine, autonomous emergency braking, along with pedestrian recognition. Traffic speed limits and sign recognition are shown in the instrument cluster. Automatic high beam operation, along with adaptive cruise control. The infotainment system comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard with Bluetooth. Higher spec models also feature blind spot monitors, along with rear traffic recognition when you're reversing. The CHR's boot space is not large at only 377 litres, but with the seats folded down, this gives a better total space of over 1,000 litres. Powered by a range of economical hybrid engines, there are 2 self-charging hybrid options to choose from. Both have the CVT automatic transmission options. The basic model is a 1.2 litre with a 6-speed manual gearbox. The larger 1.8 is a nippy car, while the 2 litre has impressive performance. Both of these cars return 50 miles plus per gallon. On the American market, it is only sold as a 2 litre version with 148 horsepower.